Need to send WhatsApp messages without typing? It's simple. In this video, I'll show you how to use voice to text on WhatsApp for Android, perfect for when you're on the move. Let's dive in. So first of all, download the Gboard app. You will need the Gboard to use the voice to text feature, so go to Play Store, search Gboard and install it. After it's installed, set this app up to your preference. You can select custom languages and others, and make sure to enable voice typing from the app. After you're done, open your WhatsApp app. Get into the chat you want to send a voice to text message. Then tap the text input field to bring up the keyboard. Now you will see a microphone icon in the corner or next to the spacebar. Don't tap the green one because that is for your WhatsApp voice message button. So once you tap the microphone icon, you will be prompted to say something. So speak out your desired message, and it will be written as text in your text input box. After you're finished, tap the send button, and the message will be sent right there. That's all for today on using the voice to text feature on WhatsApp with your Android phone. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.